Wyatt is out in the forest. Boing. That's right, I'm out in the forest. For some reason. Because I'm out here looking for the elusive, fire-breathing monkey. If I can ever find one, that is. I'm having trouble finding those fire-breathing monkeys. I mean, they could be great for our spring camp out here in the forest. Ain't it lovely? It's also very camo. Ah! What was that? Help me! Hang on, I'm coming. Help me! It appears some kid is stuck in those logs. Man, this is heavy. Can you get me out of here, please? I'm trying, kid. Jeez. Why aren't I as strong as Evan? Well, screw it. I'll just pull him out. Come on, kid. I'm gonna get you out of there. Thank you for saving me. I feel much better. Yeah, sure. Oh, I gotta ask you, kid. What were you doing out here in the forest all by yourself? Oh, I live out here in the forest. You do? Yup. Nice to meet you. My name is Wyatt Ollinger. My name is Dylan Xantar, but my friends call me Dippy. Dippy, huh? So, do you have any friends? Oh yeah, I've got friends. My best friend right here is this dead branch, as you can see right here. Really? That's your best friend? I don't really socialize much. Well, follow me, Dippy. I've got a bunch of friends I'd like you to meet. Awesome!